We are going to
PD dengan naik kereta Imas.
kita pergi ke PD Waterfront pada pukul
3:54.
3:54 on a Monday.
Sebab Alia cuti. Alia cuti Monday, Tuesday.
Yeah, so we're hoping we could avoid all the crowd from the kalau orang pergi masa weekends. And we are driving with the new Imas 5. I mean, tak adalah new sangat. Tapi for us it's new because we just got it earlier last week. But this is the first time kita akan pergi outstation and yeah, so
Alia drive sebab tak boleh rakam sebab Alia pening kalau naik kereta sambil while driving because I got car sick.
yeah. Tapi balik nanti I'll drive. Also, the details about the car. Right now, kita punya mileage tinggal 206 km. Okay. And then this is kita punya jarak. So dalam 98 km, 1 hour 36 minutes. And kita akan sampai dalam 5:31 PM. Alright, let's go. Government or is it our own? As I was saying, kita sekarang we are on 30%, we are 22.5 kilowatt, voltage, yada yada. Lepas tu kita ada balance 109 km with dynamic. Charging progress, ada lagi baki 40 minit. Rendahkan, boleh. Ini untuk keselamatan lah, speed. Kalau kita pergi ke charging kalau kat rumah ke, kita akan rendahkan lah. Tapi kalau macam public charging ni, we can just go full. So kita nak pergi makan kejap lagi.
apa?
After makan, kita akan pergi balik ke kereta untuk unplug this charging, and then kita akan go back to KL lah.
Tunjuk ni lah.
Okay.
You can also track your charging, your car charging. Ni, I guess is the current battery.
Okay.
Ni dia kata charging in process. So estimated time dia kata 35 minutes. Nak end charge boleh end charge.
Okay. We done with it. Alright. Dah full here. It's full there.
Oh, dia automatic pergi ke sini.
Boleh tutup
Dia automatic tutup.
So what's the total?
RM48 satu sen.
RM48 1 sen.
For charging 1 hour 20 minutes. Hi, ini Alia. Okay, so we finished charging 100% dah. So now kita nak balik ke KL and see how much, berapa banyak percentage tinggal. Keep in mind kita orang we're not really fast drivers, so it may vary berapa laju you drive from PD to KL.
So what was your experience? What did it feel like driving from KL to Port Dickson?
Hi. Best. Dia very smooth. All I can say is very smooth.
Mileage, you ada rasa macam risau tak?
No, sebab dia akan sentiasa tunjuk the battery life. And then EV charger banyak je.
So
taklah everywhere, tapi kalau you panic, I mean you still have to plan lah mana. Kena plan your destination and make sure yang the place yang you nak pergi tu, anywhere along the road tu ada tempat charging. Tapi this is our first trip. So dan PD pula. So kat PD ni banyak laju kat EV charging. Nah, contohnya like this EV charging dekat PD, apa nama benda ni?
Waterfront.
Dekat PD Waterfront ni there's 2 charging, and then ada tempat lepak, ada Starbucks, ada McD, belah sana ada tempat makan, ada Zeus, ada Kenangan, semua tu ada Watson. So you tak payah risau lah kalau you macam bosan dengan kereta ke, boleh kerja jalan.
Do you recommend everyone to use EV from now on?
Depend on the person.